Hi, this is Ms. Williamson. Welcome to English 4. I've created this video to help with course navigation. Let's begin. Over here on the left-hand side, you will see my name and my contact information. The preferred way is through text. In the center is the yellow box. As you can see, I separate out the page chart between standard and honors and segment 1, segment 2. All of your work is always due on Fridays at 8 p.m. If you want to find the page chart, it's located right here. I'm going to pull up standard for an example. As you can see, it's about 3 assignments per week, 3 to 2. Let's look at week 3. Let's say you can't complete 107 for whatever reason during week 3. If this happens, you are to complete 107 during week 2 and send me a text to let me know why this is happening. Again, 107 is due week 3, but you're unavailable. So then you would have to complete it in week 2 and send me a text to let me know why. Back to that course homepage. This button helps you with resources. This one is going to go along with assignment 203. So if you're just beginning the course, don't worry about that right now, but you may want to know that's a reference for later on. Below here is the English department calendar. I share this calendar with the other English teachers. So when you are ready to attend a live lesson for support or collaboration credit, you will use this calendar. Here's what this is going to look like. Up here is collaboration. This is where you're going to get the directions. It tells you that you're going to use this calendar. So knowing that, you would scroll down here. And right now, there's not a lot of teachers posted. So as this semester moves on, you will see new courses offered by English teachers. Let's say, for example, on the 19th, Ms. Irvin is offering a live lesson that fits your schedule and you are interested in attending. You would go down here, you'll see her name and her classroom. You will click that link, exactly what the directions are, and that's how you will attend that live lesson through Zoom. It's important that you do not use this lesson, this live classroom, because you will go into Ms. Williamson, my classroom, instead of Ms. Irvin's, who is offering the lesson on the 19th. So just make sure you're using this as your calendar reference. Also up here is where you can schedule an appointment. Most of my students send me a text the day before to let me know they're ready for a DBA or let me know that they have questions. So text is the preferred method, but you're welcome to schedule an appointment. Let me show you how to get to the lessons. You need to go to the top to the black bar, and it says main menu. It's the 3-lined bar, also known as a hamburger. Let me show you an assignment. So we're going to go to a lesson. I'm just going to randomly pick a lesson, which is going to be 101, because I want to show you how to download a graphic organizer. So you can go to menu, go to module, go to 101. And I'm going to scroll through. Again, the point of this is to show you how to download a graphic organizer. It will save you time. Okay, so I can see that this particular graphic organizer has been located in the last 3 slides. It's also going to be in the last slide, but that's fine. You can see how it's a different color when I put my cursor here. That means a hyperlink. So let me go ahead and open that for you. And right here where it says save and print, you're going to hit save. And what it does is it's going to bring up a Word document. And so you're able to type directly onto that. Just like that. Okay, and that will save you time when you're working with a graphic organizer. All right, perfect. Now I want to show you how to access a quiz. Okay, so we're going to go through another one. I know 109 is a quiz, so let me just pull that up for you. Again, I'm under lessons. I'm going to go menu. 109, the plot analysis. I can see there's 4 slides. And on the 4th slide, it says take a quiz. All right, so at that point, you would go again to the main menu, assessments, assignment, and that's how you're going to find the quiz for 109. So let me show you a common mistakes that students have made. All right, I'm just going to pull up one of these test questions. It says choose an event from the play. Focus on the purpose that it serves in the story. Consider how the story would have changed if the event had been altered. Form your ideas into a paragraph of at least 5 sentences. Be sure to include supporting evidence from the play. Your answer must cite directly from the lines that you have read in this lesson. So it's really important, in order to get full credit, again, this is worth 30 points, that you write a complete paragraph of at least 5 sentences. You want to make sure that you're checking for spelling and grammatical errors, especially because this is an English course. And at the end, you have to cite directly from the text. That means you're going to give exact quotes to cite properly. Please know that we use Turnitin for academic integrity purposes in Seminole County Virtual School. And I will contact you if I have any concerns of academic integrity. So if you need some help, please just reach out and let me know, and we'll stop it before it starts, okay? That is what I'm here to help you with. All right, so I'm going to go back to the course home page. Okay, great. So as a recap, this is my name and my contact. Again, the preferred method is for text. Same if you're ready to schedule a call, you just send me a text. This is your yellow box. It is updated weekly. Your assignments are always due on Friday at 8 p.m. This is the pace chart for when you need to work ahead. This is your resources for help throughout the semester and throughout the school year. This is directions on how to get into the live lesson for collaboration. And at this time, I would like you to send me a text and let me know that you're ready for the password to begin the course. I look forward to working with you. Thanks.